things you need to know before investing in Go&Go automatic car wash. Before deciding to invest in the Go&Go automatic car wash, you probably have many concerns. Will success investment be truly effective? Will it have your garage attract more customers? Is it worth the capital invested? These are the very real questions, and Go&Go believe you need to hear them frankly and clearly. In reality, an automatic car wash is not a solution that automatically attracts more customers. Some garages invest in and operate very effectively, but there are also many cases where after investment, they don't see a significant difference compared to before. And the reason is not the machine itself, but how you understand and implement the automatic car wash model correctly from the start. The first thing Go&Go wants you to understand correctly is automation is not about replacing humans, but about elevating service. Go&Go automatic car wash machines are not designed to eliminate human labor, but to standardize the car wash process. Heavy, repetitive, strenuous, and error-prone tasks are handled by the machine. However, detail requiring meticulous attention, such as wheel arches, hidden corner, window, and the final inspection, still require human intervention. Previously, washing a car required many workers and took a considerable amount of time. The quality of the wash depended heavily on the skills and work ethics of each individual. During business periods, rushing to finish quickly could easily compromise quality. With Go&Go automatic car wash machine, each car is treated according to an field process, ensuring thorough, fast, and safe cleaning of the paint surface. The combination of machinery and human expertise is what makes the difference. Secondly, you need to understand that investment in automatic car wash machine is not just about buying equipment. It is about changing your garage business model. With an automatic car wash system, your garage is no longer just a place to wash cars, but become a modern service station. Customers come not only to have their car cleaned, but also to experience the clear, fast, and professional process. When customers see the car being brought into the automatic washing system, with the specific competition, time, and the ability to observe the entire washing process, they feel much more secure. This feeling of security and trust is the reason customers return frequently, not just because of low price or promotion. Go&Go automatic car wash machines are designed with various configurations to suit different garage size. The important thing is not whether to invest in a large or small system, but to invest according to current need and with a clear development plan. When you understand this correctly, the investment will become much safer and more effective. Another common concern is whether the machines are difficult to operate and whether they depend heavily on technical expertise. In fact, the Go&Go automatic car wash system is designed to ease of operation. The control interface is clear, the process is simple, and Go&Go technical team is always available throughout the entire user experience. You don't have to fence on yourself after investing. You always have support when needed. A very clear benefit of investing in Go&Go automatic car wash is the optimization of personnel. Instead of needing 7 to 10 people for a car wash shift every quarter, you only need about 3 to 4 people to operate smoothly. The extra manpower and time can be focused on higher profit service, such as interior cleaning, deep car care, policing, or other premium service package. This is the source of sustainable profits for your garage. In addition, the Go&Go automatic car wash have garage handle peak hour very well. The machine operates properly and steadily, without the fatigue or stress of a human operator. This allows you to service more vehicle daily while maintaining good control over operated cars. Finally, Go&Go wants to emphasize that investing in a Go&Go automatic car wash machine is not about following a trend, but rather a step in modernizing the car care industry. Garages that are ahead, doing things correctly and systematically will have a significant advantage in the future. As customer demand for quality and experience become increasingly higher. Currently, there are many low-quality machines on the market. Their initial price may be low, but when the machine malfunctions, you are almost entirely left to fend for yourself, waiting for parts. difficulties contacting technicians, and even a lack of long-term responsibility. With Go&Go machine deliveries, it is the beginning. Go&Go accompany you throughout the entire operation process, from users' guidance and regular maintenance to technical support when needed, ensuring you can confidently operate the machine stably and for the long term, not just buy it and be done with this. If you have a long-term vision, want to build a professional garage with stable operation, minimal reliance on personnel, and create a unique local presence, then the Go&Go automatic car wash machine is a very wise option to seriously consider. Most importantly, before deciding to invest, Go&Go always recommend you that directly see the machine in operation. Have a frank discussion about the model and cost and how to do this. When you understand it correctly from the start, the machine is not just a device, but will become a foundation for the long-term development of your garage. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.